Hey friends, today I would like to tell you the wonderful my experience in August Nurturing Program. Jitesh Kapadia is the visionary leader who has designed this whole curriculum for all the interns. He wants to fill up the gap between the industry and the colleges. And that's why this program is amazing for all the interns, where they not only provide the technical training, but they also provide what is sales, marketing, what is company's branding, social media, everything. Apart of that, they focus on every intern's well-being part, integrative part, and they support them to do SWOT analysis and focus on their skill matrix to provide them the best outcome of their life. I insist everybody should pass through this 6 month of wonderful program, and that is August Nurturing Program. I hope that this will add value to the future of IT industry. I give a lot of kudos to August team, their HR, their TLs, their team leaders, and their whole Apex body, that they are putting a lot of efforts to make this world better. Keep it continue and join August Nurturing Program.